Have you ever been without mobile coverage when you desperately needed it? For instance, when you're driving across the border, you're working in a factory, or because there is a network outage that causes you to be temporarily unreachable? For some, it is just an inconvenience. For others, a matter of life and death. What if you always would have access to the best available network? Well, it is possible with Lyfo.net. Lyfo.net guarantees optimal mobile coverage wherever you are within the country that you live, including the border areas, no matter where you are. Whether you're working on the water or at a crowded event, with Lyfo.net, you automatically have access to the best available network, and you can continue calling, texting, and surfing the internet. Would you also like to use Lyfo.net? Contact your operator and ask for Lyfo.net. More information? Go to Lyfo.com. Premium network experience.